Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing a black screen on your Dell laptop when the computer is already powered on. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. Let's start with the absolute quickest fix first, because your laptop might have simply turned off the display to save power if the battery dipped too low. Go ahead and grab your laptop's charging cable, plug it securely into a working wall outlet, and then connect it directly to your computer to make sure it has plenty of juice. Just give it a few minutes to charge up and try tapping the spacebar or moving your mouse to see if the screen simply wakes back up from a deep sleep mode. If your screen is still completely dark, especially right after you successfully sign into Windows, your graphics driver might simply be frozen, so let's quickly restart it using a built-in keyboard shortcut. Simply rest your fingers on the keyboard and press the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter B, all at the exact same time. You should immediately hear a quick beep and see the screen flash for a brief second, which means the graphics driver is resetting and your display should pop right back up. If you are still staring at a blank screen, we need to drain any trapped excess power inside the laptop's hardware by performing a hard reset. And don't worry, this will not delete any of your personal files. First, press and hold down your laptop's main physical power button until you hear the computer completely shut down and the fan stop spinning. Next, unplug the charger and be absolutely sure to disconnect any other USB flash drives, mice, or external devices connected to your Dell laptop so it is completely bare. Now, press and hold that power button down firmly for at least 30 straight seconds to squeeze out all the excess trapped electricity, and then let go. Finally, plug only your charger back in and press the power button once to turn the laptop back on normally and see if that familiar Dell logo appears. Lastly, if your screen suddenly went black while you were actively using the laptop, but you can still see your white mouse cursor moving around on the dark screen, the Windows Explorer process likely just crashed, so let's force it to restart. Press the Control, Shift, and Escape keys all together to instantly open up your Windows Task Manager directly on your screen. Once that window opens up, scroll down through the active list until you find the folder icon named Windows Explorer. Simply right-click directly on Windows Explorer, select Restart from the drop-down menu, and your taskbar and desktop should immediately refresh and appear. And that's it. You now know how to fix a Dell laptop that turns on but has a black screen. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.